Hi, I'm Stephen Hill of Straightwire. We've been making almost all USA-made cables for 41 years, and this is our award-winning Super Quad that's an amazing high-performance 12-gauge four-conductor speaker cable made with advanced foam polypropylene. It still meets all CL and FT4, FT6 requirements. We also have a plenum version. What makes it so special is for longer runs in good quality theaters or two-channel applications. It's an amazing product, and too often people don't use a low enough resistance or quality insulations for better speaker wire. Straightwire is located in Hollywood, Florida, and our website is www.straightwire.com. We sell worldwide, and thank you, rAVe.